everyone, so this is Cindy Tung, and I just want to share with you the construction update of Prisma Residences. And now I'm coming from Shaw Boulevard going to Pasig Boulevard. So this is a Rizal Medical Center, and here that's our Prisma Residences. So the Astra building is almost done with the construction, and there will also be the phase 2, which is the Allegra Garden Place, and it's also a pre-sale property. And when you go straight ahead, and that's already C5, and when you turn right, that's going to BGC, and when you turn left, that's going to Ortigas. So we're now at Pasig Boulevard going to Shaw Boulevard.